Welcome to Highdown Gardens. It's the 22nd of June 2026. We're currently in a bit of a heat wave. Chosen to pop up here this evening because I'm quite convinced it's going to be a superb moth evening. And I'm going to set a sheet up tonight rather than a typical moth trap. It's forecast to be a bit thundery later, but the trapping area is on the top of the South Downs, not far from Worthing, and we're in a chalk pit which has been planted out by Frederick Stern many years ago, and I'm just waiting for the sheet to turn up. As you can see, the bulb's set up there on the frame, but I forgot to bring my sheet, so somebody's kindly popping that up for me, and hopefully I have some good results to show you later on what is an exceptionally warm, muggy evening, and should be a cracker. Fingers crossed.